fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an unboxing from Crafty. I'm going to just jump in, let me get everything out of the box, and then I'll share with you what this is. So this is another kit by Sybil Art. Let me unroll it here. You may have seen the other kit that I did by Sybil Art. That one was called Kaori. That's the one where I added all the gold metallic drills. It turned out really cool, so I can't wait to see what this one is going to look like. So we've got our drills here and our toolkit. I'm going to get that out. Stuck to it for some reason. So there's our toolkit and then our canvas. So let's look at our toolkit first. So pretty basic toolkit. We've got our boat. We get 2 plates of wax, 2 scrunchies, 2 diamond painting pens, one with a 3-placer attached, and then we also get an extra 6 and a 9-placer, and a pair of tweezers. So that is the toolkit. We've got our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. And here we have our canvas. This is just a very simple, pretty canvas of poppies. There are not a ton of colors, as you can see. We've got our one schematic over here with our little thumbnail, 19 colors. One is listed as an AB, and it looks like maybe we also have a couple of, no, there's another AB up there. So we've got white and black ABs, but then it looks like maybe there's also a couple of crystal rhinestones. It is a 40 by 40 kit. This is actually a design by Sybil Art. I've done a couple of other Sybil Art kits. One, like I said, was the Kaori, and I've also done a DIY moon shop. That was a My Cho, I think is the name of it. So we're right at 40 by just a skosh under 40 this way. So 40 by 40. It is a round drill kit. The symbols are nice and clear. It does have a bit of, you can see here in the poppies, a bit of a guide circle around where the symbols are. That makes the symbols easier to see, so I'm okay with that. It looks like there's going to be a lot of multi-placing, but also some confetti. So it looks like there's some nice multi-placing in the background here, but then there's also quite a bit of confetti. Even down here at the bottom where it looks like it would be a lot of multi-placing, it's actually a lot of confetti. So this may be more confetti heavy than I thought, but it's only 40 by 40, so I figured it wouldn't take me very long. Let me open the drills and let's see what we've got. Okay, so we do have an inventory sheet, which you can see here. It's got the image here, and then it's got our schematic again with all of the DMC codes and the symbols. So that's good. All right, and everything comes in baggies, like I said. So it does look like we've got a couple of ABs here. Ooh, that's an AB as well. So maybe they're all ABs and not crystals. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Obviously, this is a background color, this big bag of kind of sky blue. We've got like a very dark brick red, a very dark hunter green, a red, kind of an orangey red, kind of a mint blue. We've got a light gray, kind of a light turquoise green, a green, a very light gray. We've got another kind of watermelon red. We've got an orange. We've got a dark kind of chocolate brown, a green, and another kind of lighter blue. So like I said, not a ton of colors in this one, and kind of a more confetti than I would have expected. But I actually think that's going to make the picture look better. Like I said, it's just kind of this simple picture of poppies, but I thought it was really pretty. Okay, let me get these drills put away and we'll look at the ABs and see where they're going to go. All right, we've got 4 ABs here. Like I said, we've got a white AB, which is going to be in the little dandelion puffs here, and then in a few places on the inside of the poppies. So that's our white AB. And then we've got our black AB, which is kind of on the shadows here on the poppies. Not gonna lie, I might actually exchange these for actual 310 drills, because when you see the ABs These are kind of like a bluish purple. And since this is meant to be kind of the shadow and for it to fade in, sometimes I think using ABs for that is not always the best result. So I may switch those out for regular ABs. Then we've got a very pretty dark green, kind of peacocky AB. And this one is a lot of the stalks here on some of the poppy flowers. And then we've got a lighter AB, which is the stalks of the other poppy flowers. So pretty much all of the stalks are going to be either the dark or light green. That'll be nice and pretty. I might actually go back and see if I have some red ABs in the colors of the poppies and see if I want to add some of those in. That might be fun to do as well. Not completely replace, but just throw some random ones in here or there. That might be fun to do. Hi guys, Editing Me here, and I just wanted to break into the unboxing to show you what I have finished so far. I've completed the bottom here. I think you can see most of that. I've gotten all of the kind of stems of the flowers and everything finished. I thought this was going to be a lot faster than it actually turned out to be, because I thought this was going to be quite a bit of multi-placing, but once you actually get into it, it's actually quite a bit of confetti. So if you can see here, I mean, this is basically, this background here is basically checkerboard with 2 different shades of blue. It was like that down here as well. And it's pretty much like that throughout the whole background. So there is some nice multi-placing with the flowers themselves, the poppy flowers, but for most of the background, it is just confetti heaven. So I don't know if you can see, like right there above the one dandelion, it's a bunch of confetti. And also they put G's and Q's next to each other, which is not that great. I mean, it's pretty clear, so I don't usually have too much trouble telling them apart, but not the best thing. But there's only 19 colors, and it is working out pretty quickly. Not as quickly as I would have liked, like I said, because it is so confetti heavy, but I think that actually makes it look good. I do like the way that it looks over here, where you've kind of got this mixing of colors. You've got the gray into the light blue and then the darker blue, and there's some green mixed in here. And I do like the couple of ABs, the green here in the stalks, the 2 different shades of green. I did, like I said, go ahead and take out the black 310 AB and just make it regular 310s, because I think that looks better. I like the way that it turns out for the shadows and everything on this like bud up here. I like how it looks. Rather, I think putting the 310 ABs right next to the green ABs would have looked a little weird. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys what I've done so far. I'll be finishing this one up, but I think it's turning out pretty well. Just a nice, simple, cute canvas with some poppy flowers. Back to the rest of the unboxing. Guys, as always, I will stick a link to the kit down below. This is currently listed on their website for $39.98. Yeah, go check it out. They've got lots of other Sybil art stuff. Like I said, the Kaori that I did before, absolutely loved how that turned out. And they've got lots of other of her artwork if you like her style. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.